Can Cadillac CT5 wheel spacers cause wheel vibration? People worry that the Cadillac CT5 wheel spacers may cause wheel vibration. In fact, Cadillac CT5 wheel spacers will not cause any vibration. If there is real sign of vibration, it is strongly recommended to have a check the fitness of the Cadillac CT5 wheel spacers and the tightness of leg nut are the two first factors you should focus on. If you make everything right, there should be no vibration issues. Most wheel vibration problems are balanced on lug-centric Cadillac CT5 wheel spacers. A lug-centric spacer means there is a big hole in the middle. The lug holes are also made larger to fit a variety of vehicles. Without a snug fit, these spacers are centered on the vehicle hub only by the wheel studs. If you are using these cheap spacers, there is a high risk of wheel vibration. In this case, well-produced hub-centric Cadillac CT5 wheel spacers will be the easiest solution. As long as you use quality Cadillac CT5 wheel spacers and install them properly, they are very safe and reliable. Since the wheel studs and leg nuts use a clamping force to secure the Cadillac CT5 wheel spacers and wheels, if the studs or leg nuts are not strong enough to support these forces, they will likely be bent by road impact. The front wheel studs of BONOSS Cadillac CT5 wheel spacers are made of high-strength forged SDM440 alloy steel. They have achieved ISO standard grade 4.9. With higher strength, your Cadillac CT5 wheel spacers can bear more forces without breaking. Hub-centric Cadillac CT5 wheel spacers keep the wheel centric and balanced on the vehicle hub while driving. After the spacers and wheels are properly torqued, the hub-centric rings cover the gap between the center bolts of the wheels to the hub of the vehicle. Thus, hub-centric Cadillac CT5 wheel spacers are important because they ensure that the wheels are perfectly secured on the vehicles. This helps to prevent any kind of vibration issue. BONOSS Cadillac CT5 wheel spacers are designed with a better multi-stage hub-centric rings. The hub-centric metal ring is machined to be multi-layers, and the barrels fit the corresponding hub branch, which eliminates any possible gap. Besides, they are CNC machined with precision at 0.02 mm tolerance. This improves the fit and functionality of spacers. Since Cadillac CT5 wheel spacers are components that contain other parts, you absolutely need tight, tolerant ones.
No AI was used in the creation of this video. All editing was done manually. See you in the next video.